Hey everybody, welcome back to Inside Japan. This week we wanted to take a look at a unique taste treat called taiyaki. This Japanese sweet takes a pancake-like batter poured into a fish-shaped mold and then adds the filling, most commonly a sweet red bean paste called anko, which is then folded together to complete the treat. It takes its name from a well-loved fish with the Japanese called tai, and is known as sea bream or porgies in English. These fish can be seen in Japanese art and can be even seen as garnish on larger trays of sushi at parties. While the name of this dish could literally be translated as baked sea bream, luckily for me, as I'm not a big fish lover, the only thing fishy here is the shape. The sweet has been around for more than 100 years and is believed to have originated in Tokyo. They're pretty popular, even having received their own song titled Oyoge Taiyaki-kun by Masato Shimon in the 70s. Sweet bean paste is a traditional filling, but custard comes in a close second, and shops often introduce a variety of other flavors as monthly or seasonal promotions. If you can't find a dedicated taiyaki shop or street festival, you should still have some options. If you can get yourself to a Japanese 7-Eleven, you should be able to find a cotton toe version in a display case for 150 yen, which deep fries it and gives it a slightly crunchier wrap. There is also a version in the dessert section, where the wrap is made from pounded rice cakes and filled with a sweet custard, which I found myself enjoying much more than expected. If you enjoyed this, you might enjoy one of these other videos looking at our further adventures with Japanese food. And we also check out other parts of Japanese traditions and cultures that we love. In any case, thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss on any future content. This has been Inside Japan.